How to fix Logitech G Hub stuck on loading screen. So in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Logitech G Hub stuck on loading screen. So first thing you can do is reinstall Logitech G Hub. So right click on the Windows Start button and then choose Task Manager to close the Task Manager processes related to the Logitech G Hub. So look for any Logitech G Hub client processor in the Task Manager and then find the processes. Do a right click and then choose End Task. So there are three processors that you'll probably find there: LG Hub, LG Hub Agent, and LG Hub Updater. Close them, then restart the client in administrator mode. The recently closed processes will be automatically restarted, which can assist you in fixing the problem. After terminating all G Hub related processes in the task manager, go to the following location. So head over to C program file / LG Hub directory. Now execute each of these programs individually as an administrator by right-clicking each one with the and selecting Run as Administrator. Next, access your Settings app and go to Apps, follow the Apps and Features section. And then here search for Logitech G Hub. Right-click on the three-dot menu and choose Uninstall. Next, head to Logitech's website and click on the Download for Windows 10 button or 11 in order to reinstall the app. So that is how you can basically fix Logitech G Hub stuck on loading screen.